It's all about presentation. I have a few kings that I refer to in life and in business. One of them is presentation. Presentation is king. The way you present yourself, and communication is another king, because communication, if you listen to the experts, is 93% non-verbal. So you may oversimplify it and think communication is just about the spoken word, but reality is you communicate with everything you do, everything you say, the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you carry yourself, how you dress, how your hair is. Everything communicates something to the world. Now, you can't control how a person interprets that, but you can use it to your advantage, just knowing that communication is king and presentation is king. So as a rule, when I'm working, I keep my stuff organized. I do not make a mess. I don't want my customer coming out and looking like his driveway is a disaster or that I'm a disaster, because it's going to diminish my trust. Everything I do is to build or enhance trust. So I know that everything I do will communicate something either negative or positive, sometimes benign, which means it's neither, but usually it's going to be one or the other. So I'm always doing everything to build trust. And part of that is communicating to my customer that I'm a neat and organized professional that acts the part, is the part, and knows how to perform the part. Therefore, I am trusted. And the more trust that you have built with your customer, the more it will benefit you in your world and the more money you can make. So that's my little sidebar for you.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and